Well, here's some big news coming in. The Prime Minister's big announcement here. Khel Ratna now called Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Prime Minister Modi tweets a quote. I have been getting many requests from citizens across India to name the Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand. I thank them for their views. Respecting their sentiment, the Khel Ratna Award will hereby be called Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Here's Prime Minister Modi now officially making this statement on Twitter. In fact, Prime Minister's big announcement here where Khel Ratna Award will now be called Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. The Prime Minister tweets, and I quote, I have been getting many requests from citizens across India to name the Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand. I thank them for their views. Respecting their sentiment, the Khel Ratna Award will hereby be called Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Here's the centre renaming Khel Ratna Award. We're looking at Prime Minister himself making this big announcement. In fact, it appears that this was coming. He says that he's got multiple requests. Now, the Khel Ratna Award will be renamed to Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Modi tweets, and I quote, I have been getting many requests from citizens across India to rename Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand. I thank them for their views. Respecting their sentiment, the Khel Ratna Award will now hereby be called Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Here's Prime Minister Modi making a statement there. He puts out a message on Twitter announcing that Khel Ratna Award will now be renamed. It will now be called Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Let's quickly cut across to Rajdeep Sardesai joining us on the phone line. Rajdeep, Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. That's now what it's going to be called. Prime Minister himself making this big announcement on Twitter. Take us through why.
Look, this has been a long-standing demand of many sports persons and indeed politicians who feel that India's highest sporting award should be named after a great Olympian, arguably India's first great post-independence Olympian, Major Dhyan Chand, the great hockey player. So I think the Prime Minister, in a sense, is only reflecting what has been echoed for a long time. And many people, myself included, have been calling for this for a long time. Why should the Khel Ratna be named after a politician? It should be named after a sports person. You have the Arjuna Awards, which are, of course, the other big awards in the world of sport. You have the Dronacharya Award, which is given for the best coach of the year. And therefore, why not give the Khel Ratna after the greatest Olympian? And I think it's fantastic. I think we should say that this is the right step. We can question the timing, but the timing is with the Olympics. So, in the Olympic mood, why not? Better late than never is what I would say, Nabila. This is a long-standing demand of a number of sports persons and indeed, of course, politicians. Now, the problem, Nabila, is, of course, this will be seen as a slight to Rajiv Gandhi and to the Congress party. That's the problem. But the reality is that a sports award should be named after a sports person. So I think the Prime Minister has taken the right step.
Well, Rajdeep, this is also the timing that we can't help but notice. We are looking at the women's hockey team, even though they lost the kind of fame and glory that they've got to India and, of course, the game itself. You had the men's hockey team who won a bronze for India after 41 years. The timing of it, quite apt.
I think so. I think the timing is apt because the mood of the country is to celebrate particularly our Olympian sports persons. This is a cricket-crazy country, but this is a moment to celebrate our Olympian sports persons. And Dhyan Chand, who many have called for a Bharat Ratna. Remember, there was a long-standing demand to give the Bharat Ratna to Dhyan Chand. The first sports persons to get it eventually was Sachin Tendulkar and Vishwanathan Anand. Now, I believe that you don't give a Bharat Ratna 50 years after a person has died posthumously. You give it when the person is alive. So, rather than give a Bharat Ratna posthumously to Dhyan Chand, this is a great way to recognize the one Olympian, in a sense, who shone so brightly in the early years of India's Olympic tournaments, both pre-war and then, of course, post-independence as well. Most famously in 1948, when the London Olympics took place, Dhyan Chand was the symbol of a new independent India. So I think it's wonderful that we are doing it at an Olympian period, in this Olympic period. Great idea, which I fully support.
Excellent. Rajdeep, stay with us. Let me quickly cut across to Rahul Srivastav joining us for more on that. Rahul, if you can give us a small history, a glimpse into Major Dhyan Chand and the kind of contributions that he's made to Indian hockey over the years, please take us through. All right, I'm going to try and patch him yet again. Do we have Rajdeep? All right, Major Dhyan Chand now will, in fact, the Khel Ratna Award itself will be renamed as Major Dhyan Chand Award. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, that will be called. Prime Minister himself makes the big announcement. He puts out a tweet, and I quote, "I have been getting many requests from citizens across India to rename Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand. I thank them for their views. Respecting their sentiment, the Khel Ratna Award will hereby be called Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award." Here's a big announcement Prime Minister Modi himself makes. Remember, the timing of it is quite apt. We're looking at the Indian hockey teams, both men and women, both stellar performance there right at the Olympics. In fact, the women's team lost the bronze, but wrote history, literally scripted history. For the first time in history of India, the women's hockey team reaches the semi-finals of the Olympics. They lost out on the bronze medal, but nonetheless, they are heroes at this moment. The country is celebrating, and how? Here's the Prime Minister itself now taking a decision right at this apt moment to announce that Khel Ratna will now be renamed as Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. And this comes right after legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand, who's contributed immensely to India at the Olympics. He's played, he's brought us medals, and at a time like this when hockey is our national sport, of course, celebrated so widely, so far we saw that cricket, of course, took precedence, hockey taking a back seat, but now we see with our men's and women's hockey team making us immensely proud at the Olympic Games. Now, the Prime Minister at an apt time comes out with a big announcement that Khel Ratna Award will now be renamed as Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. He, in fact, has said that he's got many requests asking for the same, and he's tweeted out the same announcement saying, after getting many requests from citizens across India to name the Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand, I thank them for their views, respecting their sentiment. The Khel Ratna Award will hereby be called Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. In fact, this is much awaited moment. We believe that this request has been going out time and again for over the years, that they should be named after a sports person and not a politician. Like Rajdeep said, so far, the kind of requests that have come in, none really acting on it, but the Prime Minister making a decision finally right at a time when hockey is doing so well in India. It's bringing us that glory that was much needed, considering it's our national sport. Now, Khel Ratna will be renamed as Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. The Prime Minister himself puts out a tweet and says that he takes this moment to announce a big decision after getting many requests on renaming the Khel Ratna Award. He now decides to change the Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand, calling it now Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. He also says, I thank people for their views and respecting all their sentiments and their requests that have come in over the years. The Khel Ratna Award will now be hereby changed to Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Let me cut across to Paul Mee joining us on the phone line. Paul Mee, this is a big move, a big announcement the Prime Minister has made on Twitter, calling Khel Ratna Award now after renaming it after our very famed legendary hockey player, Major Dhyan Chand. And he puts out this on a Twitter message, and many of them welcoming this move, considering hockey really has brought us immense pride over the last few days at the Olympics.
Absolutely. This is a big decision which has been taken by the government to rename the Khel Ratna Award and call it now the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. In fact, like you rightly pointed out, Nabila, it is all because of the renewed interest and the sort of vigor and enthusiasm that the whole country has felt and witnessed as they watched hockey at the Tokyo Olympics, and the Indian hockey teams, the men's team, the women's team, battle it out on the field over there. The men's team bringing us the bronze medal as well. The women's team giving it their all. Huge feat achieved, and hence this renewed interest in the game of hockey, which has, of course, caught the imagination of the entire country. The Prime Minister, in fact, refers to it when he goes on to explain his decision. He says, in fact, that the exceptional performance of the men's and women's hockey team has captured the imagination of our entire nation. There is a renewed interest towards hockey that is emerging across the length and breadth of India. This is a very positive sign for the coming times. And hence he says that, he has been getting a lot of requests from citizens across the country to rename the Khel Ratna Award and honor it with the name of Major Dhyan Chand, one of the legendary hockey players our country has produced, and the Prime Minister has decided to respect that sentiment that many citizens have, in fact, conveyed to him, and hence the Khel Ratna Award has now been called the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. So, fitting tribute, a legend, of course, and clearly a lot in terms of inspiring future generations to take to the game of hockey. We have been known for a very long time as a cricket-loving nation, as a nation that focuses a lot on one sport, but it appears with the Tokyo Olympics, we're seeing a lot of people enjoy a lot of different sports, and hockey definitely has been at the forefront of it in terms of Indians being glued to their TV screens as the men and the women from India who represented our country in the game of hockey brought us such pride, brought us such a glory as well. And respecting that renewed enthusiasm for the game of hockey, and to, of course, inspire future generations to take to the game as well, enjoy the sport, encourage the sports persons across the length and breadth of India who still continue to take to that game, which is considered to be a very old sport, but possibly did not receive as much support from across the country. But now we've seen that, and hence a very fitting tribute being, in fact, given to the game by according it the name of one of the legends of the game, Major Dhyan Chand.
Well, Paulami, here, it is a big announcement, and it's come right at a time when hockey in India has brought us immense glory. The men's team have won their bronze literally after 41 years, while the women there lost out last minute but have scripted history. At a time like this, shifting focus from cricket, all eyes are on hockey. This is just quite an apt time and moment for the Prime Minister himself to announce it on Twitter. Any official announcement coming on the same?
Well, Nabila, the Prime Minister himself tweeting it out is as official as they get. Obviously, there will be a notification in fact, making the announcement of this change. But clearly, the Prime Minister respecting the sentiments from across the country. The sport has to be, in names of awards, of honors related to sports. It would only be fitting that they're named after the legends of those sports. And hence, today, of course, the government taking the decision to, in fact, rename the Khel Ratna Award after Major Dhyan Chand and calling it the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Clearly, this is a sign of the kind of excitement that the country has witnessed while everyone watched the game at the Tokyo Olympics, and of course hoping that the younger generation, instead of just going the traditional route of certain sports only, take to different sports, take to hockey as far as the nation is concerned, because there's so much talent across the country. We've seen a lot of that displayed at the Tokyo Olympics. Young men and women from very obscure backgrounds with little and humble, beginnings, making it to Tokyo and making us so proud, including the hockey teams, the men's team and the women's team. Clearly, this will be a huge encouragement for them to take to the game as well.
Well, so far, as many years, this was called Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, and that was the opposition and disappointment that many of them had, that why is this Khel Ratna Award, which ideally honors sportspersons in India, named after a politician? Why shouldn't it be named after a sportsperson? None of the previous, of course, governments took an initiative to rename this award, a very prestigious award for a sportsperson. And now the Modi government, in fact, the Prime Minister himself, like you said, has put out a tweet announcing that this will be renamed after legendary hockey player. So it appears it's come as a welcome move across party lines, is it?
Well, we haven't heard any voices yet, disappointed with this move, because, Nabila, as we've been discussing, this is definitely a fitting tribute to the game of hockey. To be named, one of the highest awards, to be named after, of course, one of the legends of hockey. Clearly, hockey is, as a sport, is being encouraged across the country. Like I said, we've all been watching the game. We've all been glued to our TV screens. The men's game happened early in the wee hours of the morning in India. But clearly everyone was up, everyone was watching that game, cheering our team on, as well as cheering the women on as well, who again scripted history as they reached virtually to the finishing line, but unfortunately disappointed, but bringing huge glory to the country. Like you said, to have a sports award named after a legendary sports person, that is only the right way to go. That is only the fitting tribute that you could possibly pay to sports persons, encourage more sports persons in the country as well to take.
Pallavi, stay with us. I'm going to quickly cut across to BJP leader Gaurav Bhatia joining us on the phone line. Mr. Gaurav, here we're looking at the Prime Minister himself announcing on Twitter that Khel Ratna will now be renamed from Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award to Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. And this was much awaited, it appears. Many requests that he says he's got, and finally an announcement has been made. Your thoughts on that?
My thoughts are the same as the thoughts of every citizen, that a wrong done by the Congress government has been corrected by Shri Narendra Modi ji, and it truly reflects the sentiments of the people, because it is only proper that the highest sporting award should be in the name of a sporting legend, and Dhyan Chand ji is revered by every Indian. He has brought laurels to the country in the sporting arena, and especially after the victory of the hockey team in Olympics, I think this is a very befitting response from the government to show how much we honor the heroes and the hockey players that we have in our country.
Here, like you did mention, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, that's what it was called all these years. And of course, there were several requests that came in that it should be named after a sports person. Prime Minister Modi himself has now made this announcement. No, of course, the Congress in the past didn't think it was important enough to change it. Your thoughts on why this took so long?
See, I think today's decision is historic for another reason. It shows how the BJP government led by Narendra Modi ji thinks about the country, about the real heroes, whereas the vice of dynastic politics has infected the Congress for far too long now, and they can't think beyond the family, be it naming stadiums, awards, airports. Everything is done under the name of the members of the Gandhi Parivar, and it does not reflect the sentiments of the people of our country. And thus, this is a very welcome decision, and it truly makes us proud.
Mr. Bhatia, of course, this ideally should be welcomed across party lines, but if there's an opposition that comes from the opposition, what would be the response of the BJP?
If you take a decision which is right in every aspect, and if it is in the interest of the country, one should not worry about the consequences. And I think Congress, like they have been left out in politics, will again be left out secluded.
Right. Mr. Bhatia, here we're looking at the hockey teams of India that brought immense honor and pride to the country today. Both the Indian men's hockey team who won as a bronze, the women's hockey team who unfortunately lost, but they've scripted history this time, entering the semi-finals. This is quite an apt moment to be honoring hockey, which is so far taken a back seat, with cricket really setting precedence through and through. Now, finally, we see some eyes on hockey, and at a time like this, we hear Prime Minister Narendra Modi make this announcement. It really makes us that much proud.
Completely agree with you, and I think this is a small token of gratitude for all the players who brought laurel to our country, and we are so proud of them, and this is the right gesture, and it will go a long way in inspiring many other Indians to take the country to new heights.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Bhatia, for joining us with those details on that. Well, there you have it. The Khel Ratna Award now been renamed for right after the hockey legend, Major Dhyan Chand. It will now be renamed after Major Dhyan Chand, will now be called Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award.